Why do 100% of fighter jets use advanced aerodynamics? Because without it, the sky isn't the limit, it's an obstacle. Fighter jets, they're not just fast, they're aerodynamically sophisticated. Let's break it down. First off, it's all about the shape. The sleek, streamlined body of a jet minimizes air resistance, allowing it to slice through the air like a hot knife through butter. But there's more. The wings are designed for maximum lift and minimal drag. These aren't your average aircraft wings, they can adjust in flight to optimize speed and control. And let's talk about thrust. Jet engines are powerhouses designed to propel these machines at supersonic speeds. They suck in huge amounts of air, compress it, mix it with fuel, and boom, massive bursts of thrust. Combined, these features allow fighter jets to perform incredible feats like vertical climbs, sharp turns, and even hovering. So next time you see a fighter jet streaking across the sky, remember it's not just flying, it's mastering the laws of physics.